Hello students, today I am going to discuss hello students, today I am going to discuss one of the application of nanomaterial that is called as giant magnetoresistance. Giant magnetoresistance. Last class we have to discuss single electron transistor, metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor, and spin effect spin field effect transistor. Now, another important topic of giant magnetoresistance that is called as giant magnetoresistance is a quantum magnetoresistance effect observed in thin film structure composed of alternating ferromagnetic and non-magnetic layer non-magnetic layer. It is also a way to control the electrical resistance at the nanoscale using magnetic field. Similarly, this is a magnetization in the form of anti-parallel magnetization. This is a red shows the ferromagnet that is called as cobalt. That the center area that is slide the color changes from the red to light blue that is called as non-magnetic metal. This arrow mark shows that it is ferromagnetic. Similarly, this is the parallel. This is a parallel magnetization in which the cobalt and copper should be changes. From that, we have to see the anti-parallel and parallel magnetization through a GMR. So GMR equal to R anti-parallel minus R parallel divided by R parallel. So this is the equation of um, giant magnetoresistance. From this graph, x-axis will show the magnetic field and y-axis shows the resistance. Similarly, this is the first was discovered. The giant magnetoresistance effect was discovered in the late 1980s by two European scientists, Berkeley independent, Peter Grunberg and Albert Ford. From that, the discovery of GMR is a multi-layer of ion and copper prepared by molecular beam. Ferromagnetic material can be permanently magnetized, but copper is non-magnetic. Magnetoresistance effect will minus 50 degree. From that, the graph will shows the resistivity from the Gauss value from the y-axis. From that, the ion should be a changes from zero point 0.9 nanometer to 2 nanometer. From that, the anti-parallel and parallel magnetization should be changes from the two European scientists was developed from the multi-layer of molecular beam. From that, the basic theory of GMR, electron spin and atom magnetic moment on parallel weak scattering, on anti-parallel strong scattering. More scattering equal to higher electrical resistance. From that, there is two diagram shows A shows the parallel magnetization and B shows the anti-parallel magnetization. The arrow mark become red position that is called a spin down, and the arrow mark up shows the spin up. From that, the magnet of the different material should be a changes. You have to see in the diagram. From that, I have to change why the nanoscale should be a uses in the GMR. Most scattering occur at interface of the ferromagnetic and non-magnetic layer. Electron mean path that is approximately equal to 100 to 100 nanometer must be greater than inner layer separation. The current perpendicular plane more effective than current in plane, also more difficult to achieve. This area shows the CIP, that is called CPP, current perpendicular, the slab from the at the two corner, this is spin down and spin up of the anti-parallel magnetization should be a changes from the different value of the different inner layer. The electron should be a changes from CPP to CIP. This is the current in plane. This shows the current perpendicular to the plane. From that, we have to see the another of particular topic application. The main application of GMR is magnetic field sensor, which are used to read data in hard disk drives, biosensor, microelectrochemical system, spin wall sensor, and other devices. GMR multi-layer structure are also used in resistive random access memory, that is called as MRAM, has a cell that store one bit of information. These are the application. From that, the application should be a elaborate. You have to see. This is a spin wall sensor. The north and south pole direction should be a winding through the different coil. Find magnetic field by measuring the electrical resistance. This is a first application. The another application is hard drive and magnetic RAM access memory. Information encoded in the magnetic domain, read head sense magnetic field, relay information has electrical current. Before GMR, hard disk made up of induction coil and OMR. This diagram shows the hard disk. This is the MRAM. From the magnetic RAM, low power. From that, the value should be a changes from the resistivity of anti-parallel and parallel. This is the first sensor we have to see. From that, the GMR should be a changes from hard disk to particular encoded magnetic domain. From the MRAM, low power consumption, fast speed should be a changes from the after the hard disk. It comes through the magnetic resistance in the form of chip, that is called as IC. From that, I have to summarize the GMR. Up to 50% change in the resistance under external magnetic field. A non-magnetic metal sandwich between antiferromagnetically coupled layer, result of spin dependent scattering, intrinsically quantum effect, Hugger impact on magnetic field sensor and hard drive. From that, I have to finish GMR. This is a small topic in which the lot of application should be a changes. Nowadays, in the nanotechnology, have been changes in the MRAM. It will come into the IC chip. From that, I have to finish one of the important application of nanomaterial in the form of different electron transistor. Hope you have to understood.